Hey guys, Dotson Guys here with MarineMax Charleston. I want to showcase our 2019 Scout 177. This is a fishing machine. Huge platform on the nose. Fish two people easily, very comfortably. Nice tow rail as you're fishing, throwing a cast net without losing sight of that edge. All of these boats come standard with the trolling motor plug. So they're easily accessible as far as adding that trolling motor up front or after the fact. We have a large bow locker, which is going to be your main storage on the boat. Sorry, we got the prop in there right now. You got a recessed bucket storage, your light clip right there on the side. Your anchor stores up a little forward, and then now you have a big dry storage for all your day bags, and as well as your fishing tackle. We do have the stereo, so you see the two forward speakers up here. This is the optional Fusion head unit with Bluetooth, and you see our aft speakers as well. So for a 17-foot boat, this boat's banging. As we're at the console, we've got digital tacks. Those are standard 12-volt plugs, auxiliary plug-in for your stereo. We do have the optional trim tabs for this boat. So we've got the controls there, your binnacle, nice tiltable helm, battery switch on and off. You have easy access to both two trolling motors and your standard house battery. Little dry bag right here, as well as on that lid. Just in front of the console, we do have the grab rail and windscreen option. Very common for down here. Great to keep you out of the weather, keep that wind off your face. We have the bait well here in the front of the console. 3 vertical rod racks on both port and starboard. On the back, we have the cushion in storage currently, but this backrest with cushion is a very comfortable ride. And if you lift under there, you have a recessed 120 quart igloo cooler tucked in there, nestled in there, and as well as tackle storage, knife and plier storage. And then we have dry storage on both port and starboard with the nets. A great place for your life jackets to keep them stowed away. Clear panel so you can see a visible section of your bilge. Easy access to your pumps and filters just by removing that. You'll notice these lids, everything in the Scout's can be all finished, gasketed, sealed, and then with the hydraulic gas assist job. We have the upgraded hydraulic steering from Baystar, from the standard mechanical shift steering. We've upgraded that, and we've also got the 90 versus the standard 70. So we have most of our boats equipped at 90, which is kind of the perfect spot. We also have the swim platform added on the back. And we'll step on down out of here and I'll show you what the hull looks like on this boat. We've got the standard white from Scout. All nice, pretty clean white. Easy to take care of in the long term. We did mention those trim tabs. Notice they're nice and tucked and integrated into that hull, not an afterthought. They were designed for it. We also have the optional power pole bracket. This is built from Scout, sturdy and strong enough to mount any of your talons or the power poles. Well, that sums up our Scout 177 here, guys. If you have any questions, again, my name's Dotson Guys with MarineMax Charleston. You can reach us at 843-747-1889. Thanks again.